Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring something truly revolutionary happening in the world of biotechnology. Imagine being able to restore vision to those who have lost it completely. Exciting, right? Well, hold on to your seats as we explore the incredible work by Science Corp, a game changer in this field. So, what has Science Corp done? They've developed a retina implant called Prima that could change everything for people with severe vision loss. This is not just science fiction. In clinical trials, legally blind patients regained their sight and were able to read books and recognize faces. Yes, you heard that right. The Prima implant is a small chip that gets surgically placed under the retina. This chip works in conjunction with special glasses that have a camera. The glasses capture visual information and send it to the chip using near-infrared light. This light powers the chip and translates the visual data into electrical signals, letting the brain interpret them as images. In their preliminary clinical trials, 38 patients were involved, and results were promising. Some participants were able to read letters, while others tackled whole paragraphs from books or even crosswords. On average, after a year, patients saw improvements to about 20/160 vision. Sure, some didn't show change, but the fact that others can now see is monumental. It's like a new dawn for those who've battled with blindness, a chance to see their loved ones again and participate fully in life. Many of these patients reported feelings of joy and empowerment thanks to this tech. Just imagine the emotional impact of reclaiming one of our most precious senses. To put things in perspective, age-related macular degeneration is the leading cause of visual impairment in older adults. This means millions could benefit from advancements like the Prima implant. The numbers are staggering, and the potential is enormous. While Science Corp is making headlines, we also need to mention Neuralink. Recently, Elon Musk shared plans, suggesting that their brain implants could be around the price of an Apple Watch, between $1,000 to $2,000. And if they're implanted by robots in a quick process, it could make access to this technology much broader. Musk believes in his vision of a 600-second surgery, which could drastically change how we approach these life-changing procedures. Just 10 minutes to get an implant? That's groundbreaking. It truly shows how technology and medicine could converge in ways we never imagined. Let's not forget about Inbrain Neuroelectronics, a Spanish startup developing graphene implants for neurological conditions. They recently secured $50 million in funding to further innovate their brain-computer interface technology, which directly competes with Neuralink. Their platform could aid in conditions like Parkinson's and epilepsy. So, what's special about these graphene implants? They're super thin, just 10 micrometers thick, making them less invasive. With such technology, they can decode and modulate neuron activity with precision, offering hope for countless patients suffering from neurological diseases. Imagine this. The neurotechnology market is projected to reach over $1 billion annually. With players like Neuralink and precision neuroscience dominating today, these advancements will only accelerate. This is just the beginning, and your interest in these technologies is a step toward a transformative future. We're building a community around these incredible advancements in biotechnology and neuroscience. We value your thoughts and ideas. Please share your feedback, suggestions, or questions in the comments. Your input helps shape our discussions and improve the quality of our content. Thank you for being part of our journey. Your support drives us to create better video content, explore deeper topics, and keep you informed on the latest trends in AI and tech. Together, we can educate ourselves and others on the potential of these groundbreaking technologies. In conclusion, the advancements from Science Corp and Inbrain illustrate a powerful shift in how we approach health technology. With results showing promising restoration of vision and ongoing innovation in neurological treatments, it's clear we're headed for an exciting future. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video informative and inspiring, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, join our tech community for more exciting content. Together, we'll continue to uncover incredible advancements that challenge the status quo. Remember, the future is bright.